Hey everyone! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Ria Money Transfer. Let's get into it. First, sign up or log in. The first step is to get into your account so you can start your transfer. You need to tell the system who you are to keep your information safe. Click the button to join and type in your name, email, and phone number. If you already have an account, just type in your secret keys to open your dashboard. Because the system needs to know it is really you making the transfer. You have to be logged in so your payment can be tracked and protected. It ensures that all your work today is saved correctly in your personal history. Next, choose your destination and amount. You need to pick where the money is going and exactly how much you want to send. Look for the search box and pick the country where your friend or family member lives. Type the amount of money you want to send in the box on the screen. It lets the computer show you exactly how much the other person will get in their own currency. By picking the destination first, you can see the latest exchange rates and fees right away. This helps you decide if you want to send more or less money before you move to the next step. Next, pick how to pay and how they get it. Now you have to decide how you will pay for the transfer and how the other person will receive the cash. Pick your payment choice, like using your bank account or a card. Choose if the person will pick up cash at a store or if the money will go straight into their bank account. This is the most important part because it determines how fast the money gets there and how much it costs you. Using a card is very fast, while using a bank account often costs less. Picking the right delivery method ensures that the person you are helping can get their money in the most convenient way possible. Check all the details one last time and then hit the button to send the money. And that's it. To use Ria, you must first sign into your account to get to your tools safely. Then, you pick the country and the amount to see your total cost. Next, you choose how to pay and how they receive it to control the speed and fees. Finally, you add the person's info and send to finish your job. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.